The main questions are, what can you do within a community to help children develop their full potential academically and socially? I think the advantages of coming over to the Erasmus University, perhaps over going to other universities, is twofold. It has to do with the university itself, but also with our department and the context in which we are working in, which is the city of Rotterdam. Well, the city of Rotterdam is the second largest city of the Netherlands, and the Erasmus University has very close bonds with its community. So apart from its population, there's also a very close professional network that the academics here at the university collaborate with in an attempt to develop evidence-based practice, but also to set up practice-based evidence so that you can use the data that professionals collect, while intervening and treating or helping children to get back on track at school, for example, or to help a family, to raise their children in a more healthy way. We have many different projects within our department. One has to do, currently a number of projects within the Generation R study, which is a large cohort study in Rotterdam about development of children psychologically and educationally. We also are involved in a European project for parents who have a child with autism called Simple Steps, which is aiming at parents who have a child with a suspected diagnosis of autism, who often find it very difficult to cope with, the behaviors that, children with autism very often display. Aggressive behaviors, destructive behaviors, repetitive behaviors, the hand flapping, for example. And we have a couple of projects who are running locally to do with inclusive education. Our PhD students are just as part, of the whole staff, as any permanent member of staff. So they are involved in building up the curriculum, they're involved in teaching, they're involved in setting up new research projects, and there's a mutual interest in each other's progress. So they feel very much part of the academic community, if you like. And when they successfully complete their thesis, then we all celebrate. One of the main advantages of coming here is that you do not only publish and conduct and finalize your research, but also very often you contribute more or less directly back to the community, and that is one of the aims of the Erasmus University. So you're doing important work in several aspects.